Hi guys, welcome to NumberX. In this lecture we are going to learn about intercept of the graph. So let us start. First of all, what is intercept of the graph? The coordinates of the points at which graph intersect coordinate axis, that is x and y axis, is called intercept of the graph. Okay. Suppose a graph has been drawn on this coordinate axis. We can clearly see that this is the first point at which this graph has intersected x-axis. This is second point. This is third point. Okay. So we can say that this graph has 3 x-intercept. Okay. We can also observe that this graph intersects y-axis at only one point. So it will have only one y-intercept. Let us learn how to calculate x-intercept by using graph of the curve. Suppose a graph has been drawn on the coordinate axis. We have already seen that it will have 3 x-intercept. It is not always necessary that every graph will have x or y-intercept. Suppose this function is not defined as y is equal to 0, so it will not have any x-intercept. A y-intercept or vertical intercept is a point where the graph of a function intersects the y-axis. Okay, this is very important key point. The graph intersects at y-axis. Okay, we can clearly see this graph. It is intersecting only at one point, so it will have only one y-intercept. One thing to note here, at y-intercept the value of x is equal to 0. Suppose a function is not defined at x is equal to 0, so it will not have any y-intercept. Okay, because this graph is not intersecting y-axis. It is not necessary that every graph will have x or y-intercept. In this graph, a circle has been drawn. This graph neither intersects with x-axis nor y-axis, so we can say that it will not have any x or y-intercept. Suppose we have to find x-intercept when graph is not given, then how can we find it? We have already seen that at x-intercept the value of y is equal to 0. So this is the key concept. Okay, so we will put y is equal to 0 in this equation, then we will find the value of x. We have factored out x cube minus 4x as x times x minus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we can easily find the value of x, which is negative 2, 0 and positive 2. We have found this value when y is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write x-intercept as negative 2, 0, 0, 0 and 2, 0. So this graph will have 3 x-intercept. How can we find y-intercept of this curve? At y-intercept the value of x is equal to 0. So we will put x is equal to 0 in this equation. Then the ordered pair of xy will give us the y-intercept. If we put x is equal to 0 in this equation, then we will get y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So we have ordered pair 0 and 0. So this is the y-intercept. By end of this, we have finished this lecture. To get more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel NumberX and hit the like button. You can share this video to other person and provide your valuable feedback in the comment box. So thanks for watching, and I am looking forward to see you in the next lecture.